This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with the closing grain and livestock comments for May 28th, 2021. Well, first off, happy Memorial Day. Thank you to those that serve our country, have given their life for this country, and the families who support those loved ones who are overseas. Thank you very much. Corn market down 7 3/4, beans down 6 1/2, Chicago wheat down 12 3/4, Minneapolis up 8, Kansas City down 13. So a little bit of a get back today, but on the week, really not a lot happened when you really look to the finish line. Corn market down 2 3/4 on the week. Beans up 4 1/4 on the week. Chicago wheat down 10 3/4. Minneapolis up 24 3/4. Kansas City down 10 3/4. So those Minneapolis wheats are unofficially settled here at this point, but we want to get this out here on a shortened day. In regards to Monday, markets will be closed. So we come in here for a wild Monday night into Tuesday type trade and strap in. We're going to be looking at price counts. Corn got into that 552 to 590 sell zone that we're looking at here on this corrective wave. And we think that's an area to look to uptick marketing. Now, that doesn't mean just sell and walk away. We like to have some upside as a component to that, but you've got to try to manage the risks to your comfort. Beans and wheat, on the other hand, spring wheat particularly, are the wild card markets. We're going to be watching very heavily how it kind of damage was done with these cool temperatures, as well as what's shaking here with the temperature and weather model runs for the long range. Those two markets probably have the tightest dynamics here, pending acres and circumstances around them. Feeder cattle down 150 on Friday, lives down 47 1/2, hog market up 152 1/2. On the week, we saw feeders up 412 1/2 if you're looking at a true weekly, but the actual August was actually down 235. Obviously, the May expiration caused a big jump in that weekly price count structure there. Live cattle down 180, hog market up 302 1/2 on the week. 119 to 121 live base, 189 to 191 dress. Box beef cutouts up on the week, but we finished. I should say this, we started the week stronger, but then slid a little bit here to close the week. Exports were great, and feeder cattle index around that 136 to 138 area. So we're kind of locking in here. Both feeders and lives struggle a little bit with the corn strength yesterday, and kind of struggle a little bit today to really get anything going. But it appears to us we really need those cash undertones to come into play, and that means we need packers to kind of hit some holes to start bidding up for cattle. The margins are good for them, but we're just not seeing that come to the producer type origin. In regards to hogs, hog index, let me take a quick peek here. Over 113, excuse me, I had to check the sheet of paper there. Cutouts were up on the week, and exports were very strong. So when you look to the tone of the markets, we're settling in here trying to really figure out, can we get to the 130, 140 price counts that exist? Those are record type highs, and those are lofty price counts above this 114 level. But we're trying, and we'll see how far we can make it. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great weekend.